Hey, what's up everyone, welcome back to our channel TechTube. In today's video I'm going to show you how to change your video quality on Netflix. If this sounds helpful to you, then make sure you keep watching this video until the end, and let's get right into it. Now the way that you change your video quality on Netflix is through the settings of Netflix. You won't find an option of changing within the video, so just tap on the profile icon on the top right and open up app settings. From here, the first option you'll see is video playback. You just tap on cellular data uses. By default, the automatic will be toggled on. You just toggle this off and then select your option. If you want the best quality, make sure you select the maximum data, or if you want to use less data, you can select the save data option. The third one is called the Wi-Fi only. The quality of your videos will depend upon the speed of your Wi-Fi. So you can choose your preferred option and then just tap on OK. Once that is done, the next thing that you can also manage is the download quality. If you tap on the download video quality, you get two options, the standard and the high option. By default, it will be selected to standard. The standard uses less data and storage, and the high uses more data and storage. So you select your option and that setting will be applied. That's it for this video. I hope you guys found this helpful. If you did, make sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.